covered in mud. Oh, what a sight! But don't you worry, little friends, we'll make it clean and bright. Now is the time to wash the car, wash the car, wash the car. Let's wash the car together. Yes, we will go so far. First we take the hose and spray, spray, spray. The water splashes on the dirt, washing it all away. Spray, 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 the mud just starts to fade. Oh, what a wonderful cleanup parade. Next we take the soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. Bubbles form and suds appear, a lovely foamy rub. Scrub, 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 with sponges bright and yellow, cleaning every inch, what a helpful little fellow. Then we take the hose and rinse, rinse, rinse. The water washes all the bubbles, no more dirt to rinse. Rinse, 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 the shiny paint appears. No more mother messy spots, hooray for happy cheers. Next we take the towels and dry, 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 wiping off the drops of water beneath the sunny sky. Dry, 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 then polish, polish, polish. The car is sparkling now, it's such a sweet accomplishment. Now we're done and it's all clean, it's all clean, it's all clean. We did it all together, the best cleaning team we've seen. Now we're done and it's all clean, a wonderful display. Into the car we go now, to drive and play all day. Oh no, look there, a fire truck, all covered in brown mud. Oh,